a deficit of ugly news, but we have to start with the good news. Now, there's good news involving a Myrtle Beach lottery player scratched off $2 million. The largest ever win while waiting at the car wash. Why wasn't it me?
Who keeps track of this? Wait a minute. Wait a minute, hold on.
Oh, Burkell Road, that's ours.
I know, that's right here. That's the gas station that we go to. That's where they got the ticket.
Car wash.
No. They bought the ticket at the gas station down the road. And then they went to the car wash and scratched it off.
That's our guy?
That's our guy.
He won money?
Well, Harry, yeah, he and his partner, they get a portion of that.
Oh, Harry, that's awesome.
And he
Harry
listens.
Patel.
Yeah, he listens.
Wow. Congratulations. I can't believe it. You knew this all morning? You didn't tell me? Harry won money?
We didn't have time.
What's he get, like 10%?
Yeah. So I think, I don't know the percentage. There you go.
Ooh, where are we going?
Yeah, how come he didn't sell me that banana for free this morning?
Did he seem happier?
No, he was late too. And he was late. I was in the parking lot and it was all lights were off.
Oh,
like, that never happened. I get all my stuff done here, and I was like, oh, I got time. I'm going to go grab something. I usually try to be nice and bring you a banana. And
that's so weird.
Does it?
Out of context, yes.
Does it really? Why? I can bring my co-host a banana. What's wrong with that? I didn't say I gave you a big banana. That would be inappropriate.
But you did.
Was it that big?
It was. It was.
It was a nice sized banana?
It was.
Thank you.
It was like so prominently displayed on my desk today.
Yes, you're gonna get some.
It was like the banana berry cake.
You gotta dress it up a little to get them interested.
It left me. I was shocked. It was just like so yellow and large.
The question is, yeah, right on the corner of Burkell and Clay Pond.
Yeah.
That's the gas station from last year.
Harry, man, that's awesome. I love that. All right, you had some audio good?
I do. All right, so here, we have to do the flashback thing real quick here. We have to do...
we're out of sorts right now.
Well, it's because we're just flying by the seat of our bananas. All right, so who remembers this police officer, Sylvester, who posted this TikTok video that went completely viral after LeBron James had made the statement, said, you know, I'm going to shoot somebody, stabbing another black person, that's not what. So you get the point. You remember that whole thing. So here's his video he posted. This is for reference.
Dispatch have arrived without disturbance. We have LeBron call my cell phone right away, please, thank you. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, no, can you put the knife down, please, sir? Sir, no, sir, don't stab it. No, stop stabbing. Stop, oh, hold on, it's LeBron. LeBron, hey, yeah, it's me again. Listen, I'm out here at this disturbance call, and there's a guy trying to stab another guy with a knife. What do you think I should do? Why does that matter? Okay, well, they're both black. One guy's trying to stab another guy with a knife. Deadly force is completely justified. I see. So you don't care if a black person kills another black person, but you do care if a white cop kills a black person, even if he's doing it to save the life of another black person. I mean, it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but then again, you are really good at basketball, so I guess I'll take your word for it. Alright. Yep. Okay. Alright, thanks, LeBron. Michael Jordan, the GOAT.
check out the tarp. Yep, check out the tarp from that 577 right here.